Do you know what urbane means? Urbane. It is an adjective. It is used to describe someone who is polite, courteous, confident, very refined, and suave. Someone with polished social skills and elegance associated with an urban or cultured environment.
It's time for a story with Wiz. The city's charm. At the grand ball, everyone admired Lord Edward for his urbane manners. He greeted everyone with a smile, spoke eloquently, and made everyone feel welcome. His charm and grace made him the talk of the evening, and people couldn't wait to attend his next event.
Smooth and sleek, oh can't you see, an urbane style, so classy. Polished words, a charming way, grace and poise every single day.
Check out our other videos for more advanced vocabulary words for A-levels, SAT, ACT, or just for enhancing your own language and communication skills.
Like, comment, share and subscribe to see more of Vocab Voyagers.